Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the walk-in interview for the guest faculty from multiple departments from the state university. So let us see the details regarding the date of interview and the time of interview and which university is offering and what are the different departments. Okay, all these things we are going to see right now in this video. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. Now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Ravenshaw University, Cuttack, Odisha. So engagement of guest or visiting faculty in the different departments, and the candidates are invited for walk-in interview on date and time given below. Engagement as guest faculty in Applied Geography, Botany and Biotechnology, Biochemistry, Chemistry and Analytical Chemistry, Commerce, Economics, Rural Development, Business Economics, Education, Integrated B.Ed, English, Geology, Hindi, History, Mathematics, Odia, Philosophy, Political Science, Physics, Psychology, Sanskrit, Statistics, Sociology, Zoology, Computer Science, IST, EETC, JMC and the Environmental Studies. Okay, and from all these departments, the walk-in interviews are announced. So the candidates who are having the post-graduation in these departments and as per the UGC regulations, okay, so you may continue for that one. So here the engagement is on a fixed remuneration per teaching hour. The eligibility is same as for the assistant professor in the mentioned subject as laid down in the para 4 of UGC regulations 2010. Okay, so here the candidates are required to come to the interview along with the filled in application form and a set of self-attested copies of their certificates and the mark sheets of all examination passed and a passport size photograph pasted on the front page of the application. And the engagement of guest faculty is purely temporary for one semester only. The engagement may be renewed for another semester if necessary. And the engagement of visiting faculty will be invitation and approved by the selection committee. Okay, and here date and time and venue of the interview is given here, so you may check down. The interviews are going to start from 15th December onwards. Okay, so sorry, here the 11th December is also there, so you may check down as per your department and the timings also. So for your reference purpose, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, so you may go through this one. So you have to take the filled in application form and the self-attested photocopies of the certificates as well as the mark sheets and the original certificates too, and the experience certificates and the copies of publications if any. You have to take all these things, and here the application form is also there, so you have to take this filled in application form. Okay, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues, and please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here an announcement follows. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.